Hey, what's up guys, this is Z from SEO Hubs, and today I'm going to show you how to do YouTube SEO. When I go into the analytics, I can see where I'm getting the traffic from. Even though this is early, but it still gives you a little idea of what's going on and where you're getting the traffic from. So 33% of this video in the last 60 minutes has been coming from YouTube search, and the 66% is coming from channel pages, right? Listed. So go ahead and get this tool called Tubebuddy. It's like an extension if I'm not mistaken. So I'll put the link in the description so you don't have to look for it. Once you get the plugin, the extension, you're going to click here, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to sign in with YouTube. So choose an account, the email of this YouTube account, and now I have Tubebuddy on my video. So what is Tubebuddy and how does it help me? So let's get right to it. You're going to go to content, and then you're going to edit your video, and I'm going to show you what's really cool about this software here. Boom. I already knew I'm ranking for a lot of keywords because I did SEO on this, and basically it's gonna climb, and down here if you have a paid version, it's gonna show you keywords that you could add to your tags as well, right? So how do you rank your keywords? So what I did here is I looked for GMB call tracking. So I pulled in a lot of keywords. I want to make sure when I put my keywords, there's people looking for those keywords, right? So free call tracking numbers, phone call tracking, Google My Business call history. So I took all these keywords and I put them in my tag already, right? And then what I did is I took all of the good keywords and I put them in my title. And then what I did with that is I wrote around 800, no, not 800, let's see. So without the extra SEO, I have around 616 words, right? So YouTube is already loving me because I put out a lot of content for this video, and it's a unique content. I didn't write all of this, somebody wrote it for me, but besides the point, I could show you how to write the content as well. So basically what you want to do is you want to make sure to include these keywords into the description. And then what I did is I used to do this cool trick, right? So what I used to do is I used to go take the keywords, a bunch of keywords, because over here you could only fit a certain amount of keywords, right? Either way, I put the keywords in here, and then what I did is I managed to put the keyword up here, because if you want to rank for a certain keyword, like let's say call tracking, right? I'm number 3 for this keyword, is because I have call tracking right in my tags. I have call tracking here so I have call tracking here many times, right? So now the robot really likes me because first of all, this is a new video. Second of all, it has call tracking a lot in my content, and so the robot is now confident about distributing my video to other people. You want to write a description that is going to include these keywords to sound original. Don't just stuff keywords when you don't make sense. So if people come to your page and they leave right away, the robot is going to notice that people don't like your stuff, and so they're going to penalize you and put you down on the rankings. But if they see that somebody's coming to your channel, to your video, and they're watching, it's a 2-minute and 27 video, they're watching the whole video, or they're watching 2 minutes of it, you know. So Google already knows that, I mean Google, same thing as YouTube, so the YouTube robots already know that people like this video because it did the testing. It's sending you people because it trusts you, and now they want to see how people react to your video. Are they coming and leaving, or are they staying and they actually indulging in your video? So all these factors actually matter when it comes to ranking. So now, how do you jump the ranks on this on these keywords, right? So let's say I want to rank, I really like this keyword, GMB call history, because it's targeted. It's exactly what the video is about. So what I would do is GMB call history. Should I have it here? Okay, so what I would do is I would add GMB call history a few more times in here, right? Add it a few more times, and plus also sharing your video to social media accounts. Like sometimes people like wonder, why am I sharing videos on let's say my Facebook page when I know nobody's gonna like it? I really don't care if anybody's gonna like it. I know they're gonna go watch the video, and from them just watching the video, it's gonna give the robot some more data on how to rank me. So you just want to help out the robot as much as possible, because this is how he works. He wants to trust you, and the algorithm, YouTube and Google set them up in a certain way to make sure to get the best quality videos for people that's searching the videos. So this is something I used to do. Just put these tags and write extra keywords, and just stuff your keywords here, and obviously stuff them in the description itself and in the content itself. Also, this robot is so smart that he knows if you, in your video, you actually mention call tracking. If you say, for example, GMB call history in your video, that's actually going to make you rank better, because the robot has a transcription of your words, and so he knows you're saying GMB call history. Or he knows if you don't say GMB call history, and he's not going to rank you for that keyword, because he has a transcript of the whole video. So that's basically the gist of doing YouTube SEO. I mean, you do the SEO without this tool, but if you're a beginner and you want to see your results a little, so you can work. And also it's good for SEO purposes. Like, let's say if in a month from now or 2-3 days from now this video goes viral, and you know now which keywords you have to work on. Some keywords may be number 1, some keywords may be number 4 or 5, but as time passes by, more people watch this video, it's going to give the robot more data on how to disperse this video accordingly, if it's a good video or not. So I'm gonna give you guys from A to Z a guide on how to basically rank all your videos on YouTube for the keywords that you need them. I'm gonna make an academy. This SEO Hubs is gonna be an academy. I'm not gonna charge anybody for the classes. It's gonna be free. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you.